This is question 18. Given that xy fulfill this equation, if x is 49 and y is positive integer, what is the value for y? First, we note that log 2x appear here and there. Log 2, log 3y appear here and there. Then there is a good reason for us to just let a, let's say a, to be log 2x and b to be log 2, log 3y. So just write it here and see what will happen. A squared plus 4b squared equals to 4a and b. Can you recognize what is this? If you can't recognize what is this, maybe the next step. So now you should be able to see what happened to this. I give it 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. I think most of you are right. This is a minus 2b squared. So a minus 2b squared equals to 0. So this question becomes a very simple question. A is actually equals to 2b. And a is equals to log 2x. And this 2b, b is equals to log 2, log 3y. And x is given 49. 49 can be written as 7 squared. We can write 2 log 2, 7 equals to 2 log 2, log 3y. We can cancel the 2, but usually we don't cancel log 2. We only say that if log 2p equals log 2q, p will equal to q because the function log 2x is 1 function. So in this case, 7 equals to log 3y. And therefore, y will equal to 3 to the power 7. For some calculation, it should be 2187. We get answer 2187. Maybe some of you will ask, why we need to have this condition? Is there any of these parts that we need to make a choice and use a condition y is an integer? Because right now, we do not have to use y is an positive integer to make any choice at all. Think about that and write in the comment. Now we confirm that 2187 is the answer for question 18.